I noticed small habits in my kitchen were quietly ruining good food and wasting nutrition. 12 mistakes that change everything fast. The first mistake was washing fish under running water for too long. It felt clean, but actually spread bacteria around the sink. Food safety guidance from WHO explains proper cooking matters more than excessive rinsing. The second mistake was overcooking shrimp. I used to wait until they felt firm. That turned them rubbery. Shrimp cook fast. Once they turn pink and curl slightly, they are done. The third mistake was ignoring storage time. I kept fish in the fridge longer than recommended. Mayo Clinic sources highlight that fresh seafood should be used quickly to reduce spoilage risks. The fourth mistake was frying at low temperature. This made fish absorb more oil and lose texture. Proper heat creates a quick seal that keeps moisture inside. Heat controls texture and nutrient retention. The fifth mistake was skipping seasoning time. I used to cook immediately. Letting fish sit briefly with spices improved flavor without needing extra salt. The sixth mistake was using too much oil. I thought it enhanced taste. Instead, it masked the natural flavor and added unnecessary calories. The seventh mistake was not checking for bones carefully. One bad bite can ruin the whole meal experience. Simple inspection saves discomfort. The eighth mistake was cooking frozen shrimp without proper thawing. Uneven cooking affected both taste and safety. Slow thawing in the fridge works better. The ninth mistake was relying only on frying. Research in journals like Nutrients suggests grilling or baking may better preserve beneficial compounds compared to deep frying. The 10th mistake was ignoring portion balance. Too much seafood without variety can limit dietary diversity. Balance matters for overall nutrition. Not all foods suit every body equally. The 11th mistake was pairing seafood with heavy sauces. This reduced its natural benefits and added excess sodium. Lighter options like lemon and herbs worked better. The 12th mistake was expecting instant health changes. Seafood supports heart and brain health over time according to National Institutes of Health research. Consistency matters more than short bursts. Foods I adjusted during the week included grilled fish, twice-baked shrimp once, and adding simple sides like vegetables and whole grains. This made meals lighter and more satisfying. Check with a doctor before diet changes. Possible issues include allergies or sensitivity to seafood, so awareness is important. Tracking progress helped me notice changes in energy and digestion. Small notes each day made patterns clearer without exaggeration. This experience changed how I cook, not just what I eat. Simple corrections created better taste and smarter habits. Try fixing one mistake today. Like if you learned something new. Better choices today build stronger habits tomorrow.